Microeconomic is the study of individuals, households, and firms' behavior in decision making and allocation of resources. It generally applies to markets of goods and services and deals with individual and economic issues. Under this microeconomic, we have three key elements. They are goods, individual, resources. Goods is a physical, tangible. Tangible means which we can see, touch and feel. Goods, it may be a fruits, vegetables, steel or cotton. For example, if I am demanding for a vegetable, vegetable will be a goods to me, correct? Next, individual. Individual as a decision making unit. For example, I am here individually deciding what to purchase, whether to purchase a fruits or vegetable, correct? Resources. Do I have sufficient resources to available those? For example, farmer is sending his child to corporate school, not to a boarding school, because he don't have sufficient resources to send his child to boarding school, correct? Next, we'll see what are the problems of economic. The central problems of an economic. First is problems of allocation of resources. Next, problems of fuller and efficient utilization. Next is problems of growth of resources. Let me see first problems of allocation of resources. Allocation of resources is nothing but assignment of available resources to various uses. Various means such as market or planning. For example, if you are starting a new business, you has to plan what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, correct? Next, problems of efficient and fuller utilization of resources. Next problem with the economic is how to use its limited resources, that is land, labor, capital and other resources, so that maximum production at least cost can be produced. Fuller utilization of resources refers to a situation where the resources are used in the best possible manner. Next, problem of growth of resources. Whether the productive capacity of an economy is increasing. The increase in productive capacity of an economic over time is called economic growth. Firstly and most commonly, growth of resources has become a basic problem as the resources are scarce. Scarce means food, money or some other resources, and they will have possibility of being exhausted after a continuous uses. Clear? Next, we'll move on to the production possibilities of an economic. The ability of a country to produce goods and service with the limited resources and technology is known as production possibilities of the economic. It all depends on the country ability, whether it can produce goods and services within the limited resources and technology.